Hi friends, this is 5 minutes to YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can check RAM value in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. First, go to settings of the tablet here and go to about tablet here and go to software information and find build number. Just tap 7 times on the build number so that the developer options will be activated. There you can find the RAM value. Okay, just here tap 7 times. It will ask your pattern to confirm and developer mode is now enabled. To go to developer mode, go to the settings again and below a tablet you will find developer options. Just click it and here you will see memory option. Just click it and here you can see the RAM usage 2 GB, total 3 GB. Okay, see here total 2.9 GB is showing here. So you can conclude that this tablet has 3 GB RAM, and out of which 2 GB is now used. Okay, so in this way you can easily check RAM value in your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.